Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need a live photo and shortcuts ready. This is the only reliable way to extract the motion. First, open Shortcuts and create a new personal shortcut. Add an action to get a live photo. Either get latest live photos for quick grabs or select photos so you pick one. Once done, make sure the live photo is referenced with Get Details of Live Photo or pass directly to the next action. This keeps the moving frames available for extraction. Next, convert the live photo into a usable motion file. Add an action that extracts frames or converts the live photo to a MOV. Some shortcuts use encode media or a bespoke frame extract action. You want either a short video or an animated GIF that preserves the aftermotion segment. Once added, set your export quality, 720p or 1080p for smaller files, and run the shortcut on a single live photo to verify it captures the motion you want before batching. Finish by saving or sharing the result. Add save to photo album or a share sheet so you can export the motion file. Once done, you can batch process multiple live photos by enabling multi-select earlier. If the motion isn't present, make sure Live Photos was active when you shot it, and confirm Shortcuts has Photos access. If frames are missing, recreate the shortcut using Convert Live Photo to MOV instead of frame extraction, because some phones handle encoding better than raw frame export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.